see the previous order turning when the old leave all their property to youth. It's not the buzz of bee or flowers returning that makes me feel the world has found its truth. And if a man produces sons enough, the chances are at least one will be tough. And a younger loyalty in love or war will make the hardened sword arm young once more. And a younger loyalty in love or war will make the hardened sword arm young once more. Hey! Young once more. A woman is old who sets no warrior yearning. She's old if she keeps faithful to her spouse. Old if she uses black and sorcerous learning, or lets more than one lover in her house. She's old if her hair's a mess of ragged stuff, or if she takes a lover who is rough. She's old if she thinks that music is a chore, and she's old when all the talk becomes a bore. And a younger loyalty in love or war will make the heart and sword arm young once more. Hey! Young once more. Women are young whose hearts remain discerning, whose actions show the values they espouse, who do not look with scorn on merit's earning, whose virtues are a light no scandals douse. A woman is young whose manner is not gruff, yet gives impetuous youths a wise rebuff. She's young if her figure's nothing to ignore, and she doesn't pry and listen at every door. Nothing to ignore at all. And a younger loyalty in love or war will make the heart and sword arm young once more. Passionate concerning joust and courts, considering thrift uncouth. He's young when he thinks that money is for burning, when ruined he smiles without a trace of ruth. He's young when he stakes his fortune on a bluff and feels that no extravagance is enough. He's young if he is skilled in lover's lore, and he's young if he judges risk what life is for. Though a man be rich, I say that he's old if spurning pillage and war he wastes away his youth. Piling up bread and beef and wine, then turning monk, he serves eggs as if we nary a tooth. He's old if he muffles himself in woven stuff and can't command a horse and ride him rough. He's old if he rests in peace when battles roar, old if he shirks the field and bars the door. And a younger loyalty in love or war will make the heart and sword arm young once more. Young once more. Hey! Poet Arnott, go take this song of youth and age to Richard, that he may feel its truth, and never wish to heap up worldly store, since youthful daring and riches honor more.